Wyant Davis Badger House circa 1880, built in the Victorian Gothic style. This vernacular Victorian-era house was built in 1880 and was known as the R. H. Thomas House. Originally, a significant feature was a tall, four-sided glass turret adorning the house. It was quite imposing with the surrounding grounds and at the time was considered far outside the town. In 1889, Captain William T. Wyant, founder of the Wyant and Barr Hardware, an important Parkersburg firm for many decades, purchased the property. Major remodeling took place in 1920. The turret was removed when the daughter, Ethel Wyant, married Isaac Davis. Local stories indicate that the turret was placed on the ground and was a playhouse for neighborhood children. In the 1950s, the house saw major remodeling again when the granddaughter, Barbara Davis Cherrill, and her British-born husband, Richard Cherrill, returned from the Far East to live here. They concentrated on modernizing the interior and added an apartment to the back section of the house. The Badgers purchased the house in 1974 and undertook further renovations of the house and grounds. They added a two-car garage with brick driveway and did extensive landscaping. A large garden room replaced the traditional porch, and a brick wall was added around the property, topped with ornamental iron taken from the original fence that had previously surrounded the property. The original iron gate and posts were preserved, keeping the integrity of the grounds intact and gracing a garden entry from the brick driveway.